Yes, now good morning. Yes, make a contact. So now this me, may I look at whether I see the break, call the network. I don't go check her off my honor. So oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Oh. May I can't make I deliver this few message. But I know they like to they see person they talk with you not supposed to talk. If they pay me. What you? Oh, passion. Tout est là-bas. Yes. May I offer, may I start? Now hold on, may I start? Man out well, you man out well, what's up, man out well, oh, you man out well. Good morning, Obazo Sars. Imana well, someone not well, someone not me offer. Yeah, una good morning. Good morning to everybody. I believe say the network don't balance now. Waiting a few messages. I want you to strike quick pass on to everybody. Good morning, Tina's Moon. Good morning, Tina's Moon. Good morning. Happy Saturday and happy weekend to everybody. Today, this message where I want to deliver this message to our Edo sisters. And our Edo sisters and other people will make it open here because not be say that woman will happen to that Igbo whether an Igbo woman Igbo man is job and people no know na Igbo man doing. I get many women with me I know where they fear not let them come up for social media where Igbo man job for where they open where they naked they do for social media. After they don't play with the women, the men they use and the job there. I know many for America, I know many for Finland, I know many for Norway, I know many for Italy, I know many for Denmark, I know many for Belgium, I know many for Swiss. Many where I agree to us to say where good money please Sarah. And not many way Igbo people don't collect their when they don't after they play with them for phone, don't collect, don't put them for condition. And they tell you this not truth. I not get Igbo friend. Many Igbo people are my friend, many are my blood, many. So now the truth I want to let you know. If I say Binima do so I require it and I say I be Binima, I not talk true. The truth need to be said. Not be like I want when Lolo can't come out. Yeah, I mean the only husband to us single mother. Not be the one where Lolo come out with the long clip to come they talk. Una know why Lolo they happy? Because Lolo know saying yo there everywhere, yo there with me. Now I make Lolo they do those way Lolo they do. I go because he married boy they just say the guy he don't do this, he don't do. But I know my Lolo the long clip so no that Wobi. That one still gonna come out because he married Igbo man. He come out can defend it. So after the man don't now Igbo person job that woman. Well, that man when even play, come away, come they talk. If that man repeat, when me call the number, when me call the man, the paper when they take job, the man not there with me. When me call that man, why not pick up? It man belolo. Pick up not pick up no war. This woman will fight past lolo. Mona look lolo long clito. Yo As he dealt with me, too war. I waiting what to defend the man. He said, see the man is a fake and the job and that boy wait, but here who go now be attack where job. No, I didn't say I didn't invest, eh? If I see people where go they talk this thing and do if I can get good money. If I see some people know they talk better thing, where they see anybody can fall a victim. Which kind of nonsense be that? He called the John, it's about to talk. What did the man do was the wrong thing. He wanted to defend because that man, he said make it call, because he married Igbo. He married Belolo. Anua Joseph Jekia. You come and call the defend, call the one defender. He's having to preach. You know how many women they pains. Women know where the women. You know how many women I don't defend. When I call the man, when I get the ritual man number, when me tell them if you publish, I will make sure say the publish you and you don't with all your family at home. You know how many I don't do. Huh? So why una come see truth? Shame una dey fear to talk. Me I not be that kind of they talk truth. Una know how many where they settle privately. Many Igbo, they job our adult women. And our adult women, they're going to run for adult men. They're not going to play with adult men. They're going to go to open up for video for Igbo men. Those Igbo men are that for one. If not we Igbo man, go love you, no, go to use and set you up. The good Igbo man will love you, go not use us. Like Lolo way they happy, they celebrate. Una no understand one thing. You know, say when person know say the thing don't happen to her. It happened to another person going to celebrate because Lolo no say na so I will sit everywhere. Because Lolo no say I will dey everywhere. When Lolo no say I will dey everywhere, how can you accept Lolo go dey happy? She no say I will dey everywhere, so she want your stuff so that make she know say no be only her because I will go because that way to na me go talk am. The network never see set. May I look the network? When I say network problem, may I look on? Lolo, which one be say the network? Network never balance. Lolo, that one, you own you don't find for face. If this network, which one be say, your way, eh? I always he can't come back on the talk. Did they vex me? When you're all you come out here on the talk. When Lolo no say he over the worry over when did they worry the network? I say network bad. Oh God, I bet me I come outside. May I go look the Wi-Fi. I don't first go there, may they not touch this Wi-Fi. So they see they touch her. Hey, who are the look on? May I look? Alright. Okay, they boot. More than not worry, they boot. Even though it boot finish, they boot. Hey, good, that's my network. They boot now. They boot, so it go do okay. The network they boot, you go set just now. Basta, but hey, they are the program. So I go you understand when when person go why not go talk? If the network do, I'll log in with another one they come. May I do one thing, may I log in if the network may I use normal phone this enter. If the network see the break, make una tell me I'll log out, I'll use normal phone this enter. Why the network they fuck up now? Why they mail? Let's go. Okay, network, but okay, may I log out? Okay, see network, but I'm not worry, may I log in again? Since the network is bad, make I. Okay, network is okay. Okay, they say network is okay. Who be people? They say network is okay. Thank you, my darling sister. When you see something person do bad, you will kick against them. Stop an evil thing. Not be say you see person do something for you to correct the person say, wait till you do it not good though. Now you dey support am. I don't like that kind of thing. That kind of thing, me, I don't support am. And that thing, where be say, Lolo, he stop and to talk, say, no, we pity for this woman, what it happen. Now, he can't come, I can't talk, say, now so the woman, now so they play, Lolo, no why I vex, can't tell you, because I know you, because say your own war, and the woman, oh, fine. A old woman, look at the woman, old woman, where they bring her nude come out. The woman, oh, he breast, he stand. He everything is she sweet. But if they look your breast, like he long. You know, say they use your the drink beer. Your long, you know, say if they draw like this, I like to the draw. I can't put my like this. Your long. That woman, oh, stand. It don't be like what they don't take for inside. You come and go to talk nonsense. Who go where they day for Jamie, if they talk another thing. Any man will talk bad of that woman, will not talk quick with that man. Don't say they're the leak makers. Now me, who here do the yana? Very bright, or budu, and the yana the Western. I don't like a person in life. Now woman is so. How can a man publish a woman note? He deceived the woman. After he deceived the woman, he says, give the woman, he say no to 419, to scam. Say no to scam, to 419. Like the one we are going to do later now, the church where that pastor woman will be church where they play 419, the job of women for Europe. That one I later I see one. I want to let you know one thing. Everybody listen to me. No say I dey bed, I never even bath. I just dey bed later and I'll go back fresh up. Come out again later. Come talk and word. Lolo, that thing where he talk, more than not my Lolo. Because he married Igbo man, he want to defend the Igbo man. When we dey talk, if I be man do, we talk and you know talk and you know do that thing. He go beat that man. He say be kind that man where he call it talk. Say no to 419 people. We are going to say no to 419. Lolo, why is they different? No, say when if you catch chief, where no say where they don't know I say be thief, they beat her. So when they catch a fellow thief, go they smile. Because not be only one be thief. Because Lolo knows how fool everywhere before. Not be only how day everywhere. So the best thing, as this man will still come out, this woman, she also happy. But the woman will find past Lolo. Hold on, maybe we talk truth. Look that woman, oh, look Lolo, oh, you will see the difference is clear. A woman who don't advance, and the Lolo will never advance. The woman will see sweet. He look take away. He look take away. If you don't know me, you know. For me to say it's sweet, you look the breast, look the shape. Your when you bed down the bath, that how your body be. Like better. You bed down, you be that the way they look out. I be. They call it, instead of you to quarrel and say, may they not do this thing again, may they not do women this thing, because say, you they support them. You always they care, you don't even wash and wear, they put her like this, they and they look at me, you the happy men they separate, they bring women note come up for everywhere. Men they bring woman something for it, it's wrong thing. Wrong thing. You they talk. Y'all wait, y'all fine. Y'all be like those people. Whether they do, where they do, where they go ugly. The way that's all your be. Any woman where they criticize that woman, who pray me I don't get to know. No, pray. Una know where pay for a man to deceive a woman. To tell woman say I love her after I don't play with her, I go to bring her come on. Good morning, lady, me agbose. So this my platform, not be any other platform. If not, even though Lolo come out with another name, you know if you write any, I'll block you. Because I know your own, I'll juice and drink beer. If you don't take time, today where I want to do next program, I'll talk your topic, I'll bring your come and they look and they drink beer. Because I like to use your they drink beer, yeah, I want drink beer, I'll put your hope for here. I'll drink beer. That I mean, I first sit down for my office. If I want to do it now, I'll use your drink beer later. Me, I'll do it. Since you don't want to stop batting. You then support me women. Make they publish women something come out. It's a wrong thing. I don't support evil. I am against such thing. We should stop making they deceive play women. If you write again, I'll block you. Whether I'm so we see, I'll block you on my platform. Now I'll block you. You don't go write for you again. You come out for social media. Lady Mega Bonze, you say I remember I say I don't do saga again. This not be saga, na advice. What did they do you? You forget when Lolo the program we do they try to defend 419 people. Lady Meg, I know they do this not be saga, na advice and they give Lolo. Advice. If I do saga, I'll disqualify one and well with that man that man who no go back we marry. That man wey Gboba head wey marry, you dey craze. You come the talk, the Igbo man wey you marry won't Gboba. You don't see who yet. I'll block you. Even though you put it, I'll block you here on my platform. You will not Gboba. He marry my way head Gboba. You know if you marry better, my head the bend go one side. Now that one you dey come out. Because marry Boma. Work out for you. Marry my way head Gboba. You see, they celebrate the same marriage. Which one you marry? Ed Boba. And they ask you, you marry my way, Ed Boba. You come back to the top of them. You don't see the man way you marry. Ed Boba, you call it mesmerize. Don't mesmerize for your daughter show. Don't they call it you stop you to touch you. I want to block that person now. Don't worry. I want to remove on my platform now. I want block her. I don't need any refract from my disc. Immediately I take you out until say I they block you. Me no they I know the PDK. Now so we see her. Move on. It's not my friend blocking. You are a bomb buckler. I will block you out of my phone. It's me, it's Weirdo Show. Block. It don't run by itself. See, I put by the monitor. Me, I block you, come up on my platform. You can't follow me. Now you are the look, so I want to block you. If you share my word, you share and you put head, I'll block you. Now so we see, I'll block you. Even though you share now for your word, but I'll block you. You are a bomb killer. If you share now for your word, I'll block you. You are a bomb killer. You didn't follow me. Don't worry, don't I go fire you now. I'll block you. You share for your wall. You share my platform for your wall. If you get the program, you go talk and where you share for your wall. I'll block you. For you to even share for your wall, you talk, you decrease. Yeah, finish. Worry, don't I fire you now. So block him up on my wall. So my program will go share for your wall. I don't block her. See the mumu. If you share for your wall, he go share for your wall. I don't block him now. I don't block her. Mumu. You know see and look again. I'll block you out of my distance. You know see again. Yeah, idiot. Come on my distance, come up on my so I block the bastard. So make I go on with my distance. So my people, now you tell the talk so the yaya guy don't block can now lolo. So my people, our adult women, make una open una eye. All the people where they job today, if you see her now Igbo people they job, now then they job our adult women, now then they do scammer. I know I talk now Igbo people they now then they do scammer for our Edo women. Na Igbo people. Because our women, for them to follow us, don't believe on Igbo men go scam them. You know how many women? Most of our women where they America, where they Finland, where they Austria, where they Swiss, where they Belgium, they scam them. They say the Benin people not go, and Benin na good pass. They job them. Lolo come back on the Inyapata. You marry you no go back for you get back on the Inyanya. May you stay clear. Eh? Those things where you the Inya, may you not go to support evil thing. Eh? How can you support one? The woman when they bring come out, you find pass your own. Your own make you see what nonsense. I don't want to hear anything where be scraping, especially you can't get it. Gonna want bring our women down. A beautiful adult women, you want bring them down. You just tell me, say you don't know what you do. They say it's not a scam. They're not scammer. This and this. And not be your fault because your own war. Because your own war now, it dey pay you because that woman you fine. Oh, I must say, it's fine. The Igbo man he come, he release or be not release. He release. After he release, now make Ogun go kill him. You come out for your platform, come they talk what you're not supposed to talk. All of now where you talk for the program, where be say they support Igbo man. Anyone support those Igbo, where support the evil to what that Igbo man do. God not go forgive you now. Our women, because of money, follow Igbo man. They'll scare Igbo, and they don't know say Igbo one job. You know how many of our women, adult women, they prison. When Igbo put for prison, you know how many for Europe. You know how many where go market, where go DJ today. You know how many. Why the good Igbo man must marry you? The good Igbo man will marry you. And I know they do tribalism, but and they say the truth. A real good Igbo man who love a dog woman will marry her. When we look at the majority for Europe, how many marry our sisters? Not be few. The rest, they vandalize our sister. They vandalize the beautiful adult women. Vandalize Awuchi women. Vandalize Benin women. Vandalize Isha women. Vandalize Igala women. Vandalize Yakoko Edo. Vandalize Esako. Vandalize Eka women. At the end, don't go carry their women. And the Igbo man go they use them. Una dey hear me? Hold on. Let's allow it now. We time is saying. Okay. Oh yeah, start enter. If you don't come, if they don't come, I can't give you. Okay? Babene, I made you wash. Okay. So now they hear me. So my people, this step I go come out later. I can't talk and well. You know how many adult people take prison because of Igbo? They not go talk the truth. Lolo, the man no marry Lolo. Lolo na confirm single mother. Single mother by what? Stupidity. Single mother by stupidity. Single mother, when they not pay a bride price, now Lolo be. Baby mama, which is single mother, I go say husband. Which husband? And they come for that thing. For a year, pep, you know. You are a single mother by stupidity. No, they don't follow Edo. I want message Edo women. Make all of now stay away. Where be say now they follow another type of video, they play love. Then they deceive now. They're gonna make mockery of we be the men. Gonna bring shame to the great Edos. We need to stop those particular issues. Good evening, good morning, Grace, Solomon. Edo women, make una take careful to follow person for video A good Igbo man will marry you. Huh? You carry the woman and after I don't play love, he job her money. He first said that 300,000. If he not send 5 million, he will publish her. He can't redo her. Some people going to come and come they talk with you. You're not supposed to talk. For social media, don't call themselves presenter. They don't be presenter. They are jobless. They be jobless people. Now make they call it yan. Those people they come up on social media, call they talk with you. You're not supposed jobless men. They be jobless men. They got no job, man. They got no job. That is why they come out fooling themselves. They got no job. What are they advising? They got no advice to give to the masses. They got no advice. What advice are they going to render to the masses? They got no advice. A man without no vision is trying to give advice out. What advice is he going to give you? He got no knowledge, he got no wisdom, he got no vision. And he's coming out to advise. He said, I'm a presenter. You must come out with a what? A topic. You will say, what is your agenda? They got no agenda. They got no motive of coming out. All they came out to see people things. They come out to say things about irrelevant things. They got no motive. So you people keep on following people without no sense. Now waiting, I want to let you know. The people that got no vision, good money, God's power, good money, my good presenter. Because they come out with your topic. People when they come out with the topic, now they talk. But when they come out with topic, they always come out with you. You see, huh? So these people, so those presenters, they don't get topic, don't come and come in your pattern. Person must come out with one agenda. You said you want to give advice, you have no advice, you got. Man, good morning, Imade Asamota. Agamoji. Yeah, good morning. This is Kokopri Mazan. Many of these men, now, why then they do all those things? They make us liquor. Many of our presenters, they make us liquor. Many. I get proof. If una know say the face say many, now truth to talk. I get proof. I surrender to the masses, and the masses are keep following automatically. A blind man is leading the blind man. The both of you going to fall into the hole. You're going to get down there. Nothing. You must come out with an agenda. What is the agenda? You say you are coming out to pass a message. What is it? Good morning, my honorable brother.
Good morning, Mr. Faye. Longest time.
No, see, I greet you, my presenter. It don't take a long time.
Happy weekend.
I wish you the same.
How the family now?
The family they fine. How yourself?
We bless God, bro. I dey see am. I say make I just quick drop by this morning. Make I say holla you. Throw away some more mouth put forward. Wait till you they try talk. My brother.
Thank you very much.
You know, say our people nowadays. As you say talker, you say jobless. You know, severally I don't see that. Ask myself this question that time. Somebody will really they occupy. Any minute when he spends to do something, that is supposed to be excellent, so that he go know say the time when he puts people use until learn. You know, by the time when all the time morning to evening, you not get what you want to free Wi-Fi day there to access internet. Day is say at the end of the day, this person could just call me, talk all sorts of thing, and now they are not even trying to change life again. They are doing competition.
Thank you, bro.
They are doing competition of let me get the highest followers, let me get the highest viewers. Now the viewers people want chop.
Thank you. I'm with you.
So the who you go blame pass? Now people will spend time listening to programs when they say at the end of the day, they become blessing or they become the impact in their life. Now them because if they get work, they're not supposed to do all these things where they do. Honestly.
Okay.
They will continue to do the little what they do now. They will leave the rest for God.
Yes.
And I greet you, my brother.
My brother, thank you. I really appreciate you. You see, a person with vision is a presenter. The worship will come. I go come out with you. We go talk past and I'll look and click and say, man. I say, yes. They always come out at the time one give out wisdom. One pass that message. And the worship, me I they tell you now, When you talk, they always look, even though in early in the morning, but I'll see and you'll see some way to where I don't say I don't laugh. That's why they call presenter, pass that message to the masses. That's advice. But you understand, but our people, they don't go follow who they give the good advice. But now the bad people, now they follow.
Honestly, every time at the end
because
of the day, people are getting it wrong, man.
Okay. You understand? I really appreciate, God's power. I really appreciate you for coming.
Yeah.
One love, yeah. No, not by me, because I want a banana. Yeah. My people, everybody, why they bring this issue come out? When I see matter where they go, our people, they don't fit talk better thing for inside. They call themselves presenter. I will look all of them, I go laugh. You know why? It can't pay me because I can't say I don't want to do saga. Because all those people, I need to yaga them before. I need to disguagua them before. Because if I don't talk, say I don't want to give advice, I can't keep my mouth shut. The things go see this way. That is why I pass this message out. Because I said, let me keep quiet. I keep quiet to watch what are they going to read that deliver to the masses. But they are not coming out with a good word or topic. They are not passing advice. Anything I see where they hear, see from them, then they talk things irrelevant. So you know they give me joy. Good morning, my sister.
My brother, thank you this morning for this topic. You see,
thank you.
It's a shameful act that our women, you know, if they vex me because this thing where they happen, so not be today starts.
Okay.
If they send a London women, now they pay pass.
Yes, or no, madam, I'll tell you. You know, London women, they don't job them well. Many, you cannot be in London, Manchester. The job of our women where they London well.
That's what they talk. So they don't job them well. My brother, yeah, I don't know what our idol women they find for. I'll not be xenophobic, you know, because we are black to black, so it's not racist.
Okay.
It's xenophobic. I'm not one. But what I'm trying to say is that, you see, why don't you date somebody where you are? You see, it's a lot of fraud.
They don't see me where be husband to us single mother. If they want share money to us, they're not going to give me the money. So I'm going to give them one by one every month. I'll give you one every month. I'll give you one. I'll give one.
Why you're?
They don't see me.
My brother, why you're?
They don't see me.
Will a woman?
My brother no part. I feel jiggy well for you. Wait till they find. They can find. They give her money. What I don't see. I don't find. I feel charge the way well. You know, you they na carry money give the Cocobrito collect all the money. Go on, madam, bo.
Why on earth will a woman show her nakedness if she's not in sin? She said she's desperate. Why you go there show your body like that? Man, whenever, even if man will marry you, you know they're possible. Where's your dignity?
Yes.
Women have to learn from this thing. This is what presenters are supposed to be saying, not coming to talk, bringing their person down, talking rubbish. There are so many presenters that are clueless of what they do. They don't know themselves. They've not discovered themselves. So they're there talking crap. You see, I'm blaming the women as well because now greediness now it cause them. Now they find fine boy, now they find rich man. Now what it cause them be that? Because if you listen to a lot of things, now marriage they carry them. Marriage, relationship, then they go hit them. A lot of women are paying. As this woman drops so, as they drop this woman nude picture, a lot of women are paying because they don't want to make their own come out. They see they pay till now.
Okay. Make them not pay, make them call me, make them not pay. Oh.
Igbo, Agbo, Delta, some Bini guys they inside to where they do this thing. I'm telling you now. Igbo, Agbo, Bini, Urobo, and Yoruba guys. Then they do this thing to them. It's not just Igbo, my dear. I'm being honest to you. I'm being honest to you. Somebody don't call me like that. I told him, I'm married. What do you want from me? He said, we can be friends now. I said, no, I'm not gonna be friends with man. I'm married. The guy not call me again. So they check your profile on your picture and they follow you. And they follow people. They follow people from, like, as they comment for your platform, like big platforms. They follow you there. From there, they add you and they start sending you message. So our women, create awareness for our women. Please, what this video should be doing is creating awareness of fraudsters, the ways where fraudsters they do people. They come with love, they come with help, they come with accidents, they come with a lot of things. So, my brother, create awareness about these things. That's what we should be doing now, so that our women should stop falling victim. I remember when 419 plenty where they do for Igbo people. If you enter plane, they go give you leaflets. They go give you awareness about Nigeria, Ghana.
Basta. Keshe, Basta. Sorry. Keshe. Give up. Okay, schools are school. So sorry. Oh yeah. Leave. We do leave. Schools are. Okay. Close the door for me. Okay, good boy. Good boy, so good boy. Double.
When you enter plane, they go give you leaflets. Tell you, say, this country you're going. If you receive an email, if you see strange persons, so please, our idol brothers waiting for platform, make them create awareness about this thing. Allow women.
Alexa, meso baby cha. Oh yeah, Daniel, meso baby cha.
Stop being desperate. Stop being desperate. I beg.
Okay. Okay, go on again. Give me. Hello, madam, they try to listen. And my son, they tell me what you want.
Because I don't know one artist say,
okay.
People guys go marry us. People guys, not they marry us. The ones where they even marry. The only few out of 100 Igbo man, how many Edo people they marry? They're not plenty.
Okay.
So Igbo people not the two marry outsider. So not they put hope there.
Yeah. Hey. Okay. Alexa, sit down.
So one on one marry them.
Sit down. Sit down. Keep quiet.
Learn to love your people. Learn to love your tribe. Learn to love your people. I beg.
Yes.
Stop selling yourself.
Yes.
Igbo woman tell una open on her body, make una do this, make una do this, make una do this. The man not love una.
Yeah.
I asked my husband, if man they tell you make you open your body for internet, he said the man doesn't love you. He said the man doesn't love you. So I beg my sisters, stay away from these scammers. They don't get anything to give you. Man, where you never date, where you just start to the date, don't they ask you for money? Now error be that too. That is a bad sign. Person not they enter marriage, they carry load. Any marriage where you want enter and a load full come out. You know the day easy. You know, you want start relationship now, money. Mama they sick, and papa they sick, and brother they sick, in this one. No, you are not the breadwinner of that family. That load not be your load. Come out there. Yes, I beg my sister. Mona they listen. You know, thank you, my brother. Keep saying this thing. I want my brother use this topic for very long topic so that our people go here.
Yeah, I'll still talk later. And when I want to talk about later, when I don't fresh up, the woman, that 419 pastor woman, I'll still talk and join her later. That woman where they job our women for Europe, this professor, it don't job woman 12 million, collect 12 million when they go court for so. It's just 12 million. So I go do it later. I don't want to show a picture now. Later I'll show everything art for that come and maybe see the woman. It's just our women now. So they and I want our women, our adult women, where you start to share this joy stream. As soon as they share joy stream, now so they pay money, now so that make us be water. Because now so they take the job on a public pastor. How our women you watch social media? See now so they share in the money, joy stream, make us stream. Now they pay money. That one sit over that one all na thief. Now my way tell you so that they pay money. So they say this pastor and later now we'll talk about that one. I want to bring the public so that make public hear what the mother they cry for you obey. The daughter they make the woman is there here. I'll show everything come as 12 million. Don't collect them for person.
12 million.
12 million for woman where they Europe here where they collect 12 million. Even the I boss and they go bring everything for pastor.
But make it
and when they reach they see Juju where it time for corner for everywhere.
Yeah.
The money that they start to the build church. He built the whole sharply. See how they call how much he don't tie the womb the girl.
My brother.
Now our women now you see social media, you watch every that morning. All the thing where they hear from my phone, joy stream, live message. That one you say, you go get money, you go get money, and your forefather family, your generation who they disturb you, you don't preach about repent and give your life. Respect your husband, marry, they preach about you will get money, United deceive now. All of them they share and they go for Europe. Make una share and come give me again. If una share and come give me again, I'll post una picture on my wall. Make us people. All of una make us water. Una come here, they share no son. I don't follow that tradition. Who they call me? You see their problem? Call away they call. We pick your call, make you finish. I never see your call.
I don't finish.
You understand? Thank you, madam. God bless you for this advice.
Yeah.
When I see our beautiful message, these are the kind of message I want to hear to advise our women because we should be careful of this situation. What did happen to form one scammer? Form one. So our women for UK, for your watch now, and your watch waiting for one and also job there. Our women open your eyes, be careful of form one. Stay away from scammer. They don't job una. We know say una make us school everywhere. Make una not cry. Una make us any my way. Tell you say if you not pay go show your make us contact me. We have to talk show. And let me call them. Let them publish it. We'll catch them. Okay. So make una know they think they fear. My people. Choice. No they put love and like. Now this you they put. They put love and like, choice, love and like. Now you suppose they put. Not be choice. Love and like. So my people, I want to let all of them understand one thing now. Say every one of us need to live a better life. Our women be careful of scammer. Igbo people are the scammer. Igbo Agbo. Now then they scam our women, adult women for Europe. Igbo Agbo, now then be scammer. Don't play love with you. Don't go pull your note, come out for everywhere. So our women, it's time for we to see many of our women where they UK now. They don't scam them, they shame. And some of them I go come out for social media because they say, you know what, leave us alone. But they give you the good advice. Now, you drive your husband finish. After you drive your husband, now you can't find Igbo man. Wait, one man, you don't say go scam you. After you drive your you use your hand drive your husband. Una wait get husband, make una hold una husband. Make una hold una husband. Because all this one way be say they don't drive their husband. Now Igbo don't they job them. So I want advice now. So that is why when I preach, say may we marry more than 5 wives, 6 wives, they declare. Huh? They declare. Why don't they cry? Why don't they cry? Did they cry? Now our culture, follow our culture, all those fake pastor preacher. Who now they follow? Telecommando. So we need to learn, take advice. This morning I can pass advice for everybody. So that not all Igbo, Bambela or Sama prayer, not be all Igbo. The good Igbo, they marry Edo women. The good one, you see that our sister there with them for us. The good women, our sister, the good Igbo people, our sister there with them for us. Now the bad one, where your people say they want to hear our women, which is wrong. The pride, our pride. Africa is beautiful. Edo women is beautiful. Now you see they can't disgrace our women because of 419 where they do. After playing love with you for phone, for video, all they need to do is to publish it, which is wrong. You do is sweet me, sweet you, and then you come to scam the woman. Our women, I want to tell you, if all those Igbo man call you, go say, open your pants, may I see your pekus, may I see your breast? No, do. They go use and scan you again. Mokuna not do, because now many women, as they see this woman out, they don't go pay now, they don't want to see their own. But when I forget, say as soon as pay, now say go to demand money, or not that if you need money, go see demand money again. Those are pure scamming. Make una not pay. The moment you pay, you go see the demand. Because you don't want to make common, or you will remain an office for that to life. You will remain a mugu for life. It is better for you not to pay. Not to pay, you pass out the number to the police. They know the way to take the phone, the time where they call you, don't trace the place. They work. The European police, they work. They will monitor that place, they will track them. They must cast them. Just pass the number. You say, okay, I will give you. Pass every detail. They will follow everything. Do not pay. When a man tell you, say, if you not pay me the money, this your nickname, I will carry and go public. My dear, don't pay. Tell her you give a month, give her to publish and so police will quick track her. You need to open your eyes. Our women where they you claim, they got the 10 and there be airport away be say all these people you're going to play on a phone. I please you put our sister, you should open your eyes. Don't fall a victim of scammer. You know good may go for victim of 419. You'll see many of our women now, then they shame, don't they work out, then they fear make the man not go publish them. And most of these things are done by Igbo data. Please, I have passed this advice to you all. As your Uye doctor show the Kokobini master husband to all single mother. Una no say Abuna husband. The only husband to all single mother. No be true. No be true. I am the only husband. I will not be true. Nobody they will be marry all single mother. Now let me want marry all of you. So I can't advise you now. I'm not for victim. Based on so let me want not be chop all of you. Not be go Kaduna, go Sokoto, go UK, go London, go America, go Asia, go North America, go they chop everybody. No, that is why tell now the husband to single mother for you to live a good life. So I make not for victim of circumstances. The situation now where they happen now, our sister are falling victim of circumstances, which I don't want our sister to be a victim. I would rather pass this message to you all. Please open your eyes. Be careful. Any man comes to you for relationship, watch that man carefully. Look that man. Is it a right man or is this for a mission to extract money from you? Then report the man to the FB, to the air police. When you notice anything that the man is trying to scam you, immediately be fast, be smart. But many men are out there to deceive you women, to collect money from you and to dump to use you as an office, which is very, very bad. And I will not like our sister to be used as a mugu, as an office, as a way of resources, of revenue to the lazy men who call themselves men and using our women as an office after taking your node. No, we are going to say no to 419. That is why you see me, I kick against the action of this woman, Lolo. When Lolo tried to paint the case well, and some weak men presenter who was unable to defend that this woman had fallen victim, that we should try Lolo come at the top because they marry Igbo. No, I don't take that shit. I don't blame Lolo. Why Lolo do it? Because I own na long later. He own long. He own not fine. He will work for face. Na make am. She know say I own go. She know me know. He will work. When he dey bad, the way you take breathe, is very very bad. So this can advice to you, Lolo. Next time, you have to defend and speak the truth. Not before you come out, come they do like this. When you know say you be, when they call, get what they call Oswald, single mother. Now you understand. So you don't need to do that. Thank you, Eke Alunge. We need to say the truth. You cannot just come out, you can't pull out. No, it's very bad. I am a man. I have a sister, I have a daughter, I have a wife. I cannot see a man publishing our women nude. I will not be happy. Our women, thank you, Cynthia Awele. Let our women stop indecent exposure to stranger. Stop it. Indecent exposure to stranger. You are exposing yourself to stranger. And at the end, the stranger will not use it as a word, as an office for you to be what the mugu to be paying him. No, my people, make me stop them. I want every one of us, our women should stop it. If you see that you define person where you want to open up to, for you to open up to a stranger, call me and maybe your husband to a single mother. Open up for me. No open up for them. And not be say you they go pay me, you go still give you B. For you to go open and say you define you want open for, you define you want open for, call me, open up for me. But if your own not fine, not call me, open up for me. Because if your own not fine, no you open up. If you not fine, not open up for me. If your own not fine, not open up for me. If you fine, open up for me. That is me. Because the one we not fine, I don't like him. The one we fine, I'll see, I go see sweet. I go like him. But the one we not fine, open up for me. Oh, me house. My man no good though. I don't tell you. If you know your fan, go tell you say which kind of TV this you're too full. I don't tell you, know your opener. If you not fine, know your let me sleep. Know your opener for me can see. But when he fine, it look take away. It looks sweet. It looks say they ever take a hair like a. But if no say long, where it come out, but I not open up for me. That one, I know you like that. That one because many people don't just go and don't fertilize it. Anyone will come here like you know, it be this it don't finish. That one come, you come see you come they say which one be this now. That's when we they watch those people like say that one they chop 15. I know they want to see those kind one sweet one because I be the husband to a single mother. If they found one open for me. Open for me. I am the only husband to a single mother. Since now stranger, I want to go to open for stranger. Ok, va bene. Dammi 5 minuti. 5, va bene? So, my people, so now 5 minutes I want to talk now. Since my boy said he want to see me, want to see Papa. So let me see my son. So, my people, while they talk this thing, our women, please, we need to be careful. Open your eyes and be wise. Don't let any man deceive you, a stranger. Stop exposing yourself to a stranger. Stop exposing yourself to a stranger. A stranger that want to after seeing your nose, I will not be demanding for help money from you. That is for one. Audio, we guys say, you are married man. Audio love a married man, they chop mama. You know they chop nkwobi. Married man, no they chop sauce. Married man, no they chop biscuit. Married man, they chop banana. No, married man, no they chop. As if they open up for strength and I good for falling away they chop money. Me way can't be married my way be here though. They don't open up. Forget I be traditional man. I be traditional man. I hear me. I tell you, I be traditional man. People marry 100. I be traditional man. You forget I be traditional man. So if you don't want me, I block you for year. You mind your spirit, eh? I love my wife. I respect my wife. I'm a traditional man. A traditional man, we get her to marry 5, 10, 15. So maybe if you did sit down for your wife, go sit down for your husband head, sit down for your husband head. My wife cannot sit on my head. No sit that they respect me. They follow my culture. I'm a traditional man. I tell you, say we follow our culture. Before the reign of the white men, we have been living our culture, our tradition. We're living a better life. Since we now follow white marriage is not our culture. That is the white man marriage. We have a traditional marriage, and the white man marriage is not written in the Bible. A bride price is written in the Bible. So you need to be wise. Our tradition demand we can marry for married 10. So if you forget, I will bring out that topic again. Men marry 10, marry 5, marry 15. It's our culture, it's our tradition. Since we started the marry one, see our women now, they don't see who go do, and they open up for millipede, for fire, for cockroach. And the cockroach still demand money. Like I said, they under the roof of a man, go open up for millipede. He go open up for millipede. If a man marry you 5, you go see her. So my sister, our women, it good. I'll complete that topic. Come out again. Me our men for you go. They marry 5, they marry 6. May they marry 5, marry 6. Because if they marry all these women, we come extra now. They not go open up for everywhere. We be say they open up for millipede, for cockroach. Now they can't use their women as a office, as a way of revenue. We are going to say no to scammer, no to 419. So I know the shop will be. Married man know they eat momo. Married man know they eat you know they eat pineapple. So my people, it's time may we follow our culture and tradition so that may we live a better life. We have a culture, we have a tradition. Our culture and tradition is the best. If we follow with our culture, we okay, but 1 minute or less. I'll come give you. See, bravo. So make una hear. Una hear me? So my people, I love you all. Our women, we love you. And I want you all to live a better life. To be a real later and fresh of don't come out well for my program today. I mean, I feel like I don't fresh up, I don't look sweet, I don't look take away. So that because when I say we no fine, I make una they give Igbo people where this job una. We no fine. We no fine, and they give Igbo. We no fine, una they give Igbo. So black is beautiful. So we come out with our nature. So my people, I greet everybody. Yes, Lady Meg, they can handle and take off the wife. Our father married 5, married 6, married 7. They take off the wife. We know yes, and so they vandalize them for Kokobiri. So we are going to marry all of you now. Now make a single mother for everywhere. We need to marry you all so that when other people know they use now do yeah. It's time. All the money when they pack give strangers. I can pack up for the man we marry now. Now batty use and do business. Not for our children. Una use and they give and they squander for the map just for video. It look una one una you know the man don't even do now 1 night stand. I said because they collect my money. No 1 night stand. No 2 night stand. No 3 night stand. No even a week stand. But you are paying million for that man. That's a big scam. You don't even do any scam. So just on video, it scam you. We are going to say no to scammer. If I see 1 night stand, now say that 1 night stand, I don't do 1 night stand, see job, which is wrong. So I don't want everybody to take my advice. I am a fair bride. We are the talk show, the Kokobiri master, husband to all single mother, the king of Shege, the ambassador of Benin culture. Now see, and Alemu Agedane. You see all the award we I don't collect. Nobody don't collect them because I come out with single mother must marry. I come out with married for wife. I come out with different topic, our culture, tradition. I come out with may pay your wife bride price. I have a topic, a reasonable topic. We are the talk. Later, I come out with this one when I can see the woman passed away, we job our sister 12 million for Nigeria. So we job our sister for Europe 12 million. So later I will be on her on that topic. So let me go and fresh up and attend to my case now. So love you all and happy weekend. Love you. Lolo Anu, the long Clito, please repent, for the kingdom of God is at hand. Stop joining people that are 419. Stop promoting scammer. Stop joining people to make mockery of that woman. I kick against it. It's a wrong idea, and that judge is very, very wrong. I want to tell you, I pass it openly to you, that as the husband to us, single mother, the Uyado Talk Show, I pass this message to you. Don't say because your don't date public. Say you they happy me or that people date public. Your own and people not even see her. Now let people wait see and people wait see that day you pack their picture put for war. People will come greet me where I showed them that day. You pack now you make me sure you pack their picture put for war because they only look. Now they look. They drink beer. Now you pack their picture till they do fake account because they look they drink beer. They drink beer with me. So I love you. Take care. Take care. I love you all. God bless you all. See you next time. Later, not next time. Later, I'll come out. God bless you. Ciao, 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 ciao. Wait till be a lie. Eki, Anuga, wait till be a lie. Eki, Anuga, talk wait till be a lie. Eki, Anuga, wait till be a lie. Like say you do video now, but want bring you come for video. Maybe you can't tell us wait till be a lie. You are not seeing you for video. Okay. Pronto, see. Okay, my brother, viene. Okay. Viene, aspetta, there's a pronto. So my people, so all those people, I want me, okay, so I don't talk, oh, I be responsible man, responsible daddy way responsible, daddy way know what in day. People say, no be all men responsible for Europe, me and they are not the one way responsible. You know, be like Lolo, they come with Mount Zion, they talk. Lolo, long Clito. Lolo, the long Clito. Your husband head, no boba. Mama head. Head wake boba. My head not boba. You know boba. He am my say the man well. My not boba. You know boba. My head not be. You know boba. You marry Iboma way head boba. Not be Iboma. Cameroon, Bakassi Peninsula. We complain, but you don't even marry you. He might not marry you. You be single mother by Mumu. Now you be Mumu single mother. You don't pay your black pay. You did that. They chop you. They do make they open and close for them. Open and close. Open and close. I beg him. May I go attend my Kimona? Take care. Hello, with the fake account people don't. Hello, bring your face. Come on, my guy.
Sorry, bro.
Okay. Alessia, that's so your t-shirt. My brother, go on. Hold on.
I agree.
Go sit down. Your t-shirt. That's all. Your t-shirt don't come here. So I make on tissue. Hello, go on, my brother. Just talk so I make a content. Don't use your time with t-shirt. I want to my brother.
Go on. They talk this early morning. The normal thing for them, they go say, yes, in a man, they put a single mother for German or for Europe.
Yes.
The normal thing say the girls, not the women on their own.
Yes.
They just be like Charlotte also.
Okay.
They still be like Charlotte. Me.
Yes.
I see one Benin girl. That was 2018. I see her after me and my Oyibo woman, we don't separate and everything.
Yes.
I can't suffer the face my life, they take care of my baby every 2 weeks. I'll go to carry my picking. Then I can't follow this girl talk. She says she don't get paper. You understand?
Yeah.
She don't get paper. I can't tell her, okay. Waiting they be saying, me go give you the paper.
Yes.
May she come, may me and her plan life together.
Yes.
So she can't let me say no, say she don't fit come up for her city where she did for there. Because you need to sign for their camp. If you want to come out, you don't need to come out there for like 2 days. Because said the guys, okay, me go come your city there. Because I not be from Benin, I be Yoruba person.
Yes.
I go meet this girl. I spend 2 days or 3 days. Then I come back after 2 weeks. Me and her talk. The next thing she get belle.
Okay.
Which I not even argue with her. I say, okay, no problem. I by myself buy ticket, go her city, go sign father shaft, sign Zogaret, do everything.
Okay.
This woman get pikin, he get document, the pikin get two. I not ask the girl for anything. I only ask her, okay, since you don't get this paper, may you come, may you move to my city, we'll plan life together.
Yes.
This girl, even to the pikin when she say I born that time self, I'm not even the see pikin for I.
You know they see pikin for I.
I said, brother, I say I'm not the see pikin for I.
You should say the pikin. Go ahead.
So when the pikin, I think the pikin was almost about 1 year old.
Yes.
Then my friend come tell me say, no matter what you go do, woman, even the Oyibo when he born for me and now we know they talk, but I dey see my pikin every 2 weeks without no stress, without nothing. So when you be now black person now they do this, now the guy tell me say, call your lawyer. May that woman go do DNA test for you.
Yes.
Because him bet you, I said, now 12 of the work for the same company. I say, bet
yes.
Salary. Say, if now me get the pikin, money when I go pay for the DNA, say, he go pay me back.
Yes.
Now me take carry that woman go court. They can't go do DNA test. As result come outside, bro, not be me get pikin.
Not be you get pikin.
I dey tell you.
And that is when the woman get belle, you just dey blow and join belle before, you don't know.
Me not know because of how she tell me, because me and she we just meet for Facebook, we talk. Now even my friend even introduce her, give me.
Hey, this one they call by Kachama. Go on.
So when this thing now I contact my lawyer say, since the result don't be like this, because that day self, I received the email for work. As I receive I say I dey shake. I can't shake. Because 1 year, so I don't pay kindergarten money. I don't pay money give that woman for 1 year, so picking will not be my own.
You can't even pay kindergarten money.
Yes, now you must pay. You must pay child support.
You pay for this woman for 1 year.
For complete 1 year, bro.
Are you sure?
What
be the woman name? What be the woman name?
See, the woman name na Sussex.
Sussex waiting.
Sussex, I don't remember his surname, but now Sussex I just dey call her.
Where she there for Germany?
She there for that this Stuttgart side. They call that place.
In Stuttgart, now she there.
Yeah.
Okay.
For 1 year, I not see anything.
Okay.
I pay for that. I pay for child support. I give her paper.
You try or you be good guy or the woman don't know your value.
So when the thing can happen like that, I tell my lawyer, say me that remove paper come off for his hand. My money.
Yes, you do aware.
They put on because me, I know if person do me waiting, I not go do person. If he go get it big, you understand me now? Money when I pay for 1 year, waiting that my account because she not go fit pay that money back.
That girl, I bet you bring the picture for me. I bet.
I get one that my friend when he introduce and give me. And that one I go call, make he send me a picture. I go send and give you.
When you dey blow, you don't get a picture of woman when you dey blow.
I see this thing now 2018 now we know ourselves, and 2019 2020 everything, you understand me? So me I can't just suffer day myself. I don't want even from past December they come now. Yesterday my friends self can't even see me for eye because all the
but they don't call. Okay, you call the think you don't come know yourself, but they don't collect the document for the care now.
As the invite and come must let that be already. They give an open and close now.
That guy, I need that picture. I need that guy picture. I know that the boy will get the pikin. Wait, two of them planner. So I want make I put the picture of the boy so that make and the picture they see what this boy do. Your own wife, he get belly, but you know that man they blow up. I need to see that guy picture.
I go send you the details and everything because I be say I don't want to talk before. I be want call one guy before. I say no, make I keep this issue because maybe the issue just till the last month. But when you can't talk this element because. Don't be saying men not too bad though. Men not bad. Men there for this country, they're not bad. They get feeling of giving. They get feeling say men they help another person.
Okay.
But waiting, all these women they do some of us for a year, eh? Bro, you go. You
are a nice guy. Only the thing where you all touch your skin, he touched me. He all touched me.
See, I said that time, that period, when I even know this girl, they don't knew God knew God bless me with my own paper.
Yes.
So when I say I can't say okay, make I kukuma just settle down with one woman, make I dey move my family forward. Understand? Because living alone, now just they be like saying, man, you bore yourself. Because,
yes, so because if you don't get woman for her, if you dey come, time when you can't take cook, when she cook for you, you come. Now make I want make woman dey cook for us.
Even self. Because now me now I go dey think for only myself for inside house now. Say okay, I go dey think, say okay, I go cook this thing. No. But if I get woman for house, I go dey think of waiting that woman go chop.
Yes.
You understand me now? But all these women, then since when I did for Europe here, I can tell you I go fit boast of I go fit put her for Chelsea. Now only that black woman now don't date. After I don't separate with my Oyibo, so now that woman I be my first black girl when I date till now.
And now she be the first black girl when you date, and now she mess you up.
Now she mess me up. She fucked me up. She carried me. Even my mom said when she born, I see me that go pay black price. My mom say, make you just listen, calm down, make the pikin first come outside first. Make we know how character won't be. All these girls, bro. Oh, I say
my brother, all these girls, you see the problem of women. A better person now. Okay, tell me now, that kind of woman now, I beg, I need that picture. That woman, a woman where I suppose this go, I beg.
I say I go send you the picture. Me go send you her picture. You go see her. Now, me tell her, say, man, for that company, for that dirty when she go to pick now, she never pick any dirty. If I don't do waiting, I won't do and finish. She could learn how to say, you won't collect paper, you won't do shorty for my head, Abi. Now, this one I do last now.
You fuck up. You want to do shorty for your head, you want to collect paper. Yes, and you go stop people stop fighting. And you collect after then, what you pay me pass, the belle will not be your own. Well, shall not be new to most Nigerian women where they Germany there. Most belle where they give me women just call their own. Make they sleep with other men, don't sleep with all the pregnancy.
And the most important thing, bro. The most important thing, sir.
Yes.
You know what's happen? You see all these women. You know why they turn to single mother instantly? Make I tell you one thing. Man go call them. They go say they get paper.
They don't eat baby food. Don't tell my only thing.
They go say they go say that they work. They get paper. Maybe that person now when they call them now, they do for their friend. They will feel stand there say, "Now my house be this one." Understand? The woman because they don't hear say the person don't if food don't finish. The woman don't go like to investigate the issue. How he be with this boy? What did this boy really get as a man when he be? They go to the center. When he come be say, "No, this time to sign father shaft and zogeret," you go see them. The same advice when you carry, now the boy carry.
Yes, that's me.
So now mistake for some them, you understand? Because they don't want you here say you don't get paper, your own don't done for you. And if you call woman now say you get paper for German, they go run. The next day they go buy ticket come your house.
Okay.
Even if say they get belle, that belle, you go see fuck them for that belle.
Okay. Then you'll be the most girl for Germany. All the people they get, then how many of you come and swear say person not blow and join that belle? All of the way born for Germany.
They not go fit swear. If they not say they swear, they go die. They not go fit swear.
They don't be swear. Women wait in Germany. Carry belle go born for them. You look there. Don't come up for Italy go born. How many job belle don't be swear say person not blow them? Don't come up for Spain go born for Germany. Don't be swear say person not blow them.
If I see any presenter when they say they go say boys. If they say some boys not good, fine and good, you fit talk that one.
Yes.
If you say some men when they German, yeah, they're not good.
Yes.
Waiting women. See, if after this my own issue don't come out for ground, I go call one. Yes. I go call one other man.
Yes.
Often I be men. This man, so if you come back from work, he go come. If you date your shoulder, he go call you. This one when they talk, they show you proof how they take the woman go court and everything.
Let's support tutti libre. Hold on, my brother. Porti tutti libre. Come on, tu lo so. Bianca già fatto. Quanto fatto oggi? Porti tutti. So sì, adesso devi sì, a lettura sì. Va bene. So basta, Daniel, vieni, come and take.
Bro, when you
my brother go on. So I hear you now, teacher. We want to teach my daughter. Now come, teacher.
When you want to be online.
Go on, my brother.
When you want to come online later.
I'll come online later, but I'll come online. May I put on by 4? I'll be 4 good now.
Okay, 4 go because I don't get work today. I did for house. Maybe I just ask you, maybe the other guy come. That man.
Yes, 4 o'clock. I'll put on for live by 4.
Then
so that okay by 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so I may attend to this teacher. I want to teach my kids for us. So my people, when I take care, I love you all. Have a wonderful day. God bless you all. I remain the Kokopri master, husband to all single mother. Ciao. Ciao. Later. Ciao.